In this video, I'll be showing you how to get started in Notion. So for those who don't know this Notion that I'm talking about, well, Notion is a singular place for planning, writing, and thought. Organize ideas, oversee tasks, or even manage a whole business, a company, and do it however you see fit. So it desire a peaceful place to reflect and the availability of all the information you require at all times. So as you can see, if you go to notion.so, you can simply sign up or get Notion for free. All you have to do is to enter your email address, password, and then go to your email address and then confirm. You can also download this if you have your laptop or if you want to use this to your laptop or your device. You just have to click this download to Mac OS or Windows. Now, if you want to have or get a simple guide on how to use your Notion or how to use this platform, then you can go to this Notion as will help guides. You can scroll down here and you can see different topics such as who should be a workspace member. And we have here using Notion for product and engineering OKRS, and then understanding how this Q&A finds answers can help you get better results. So you can see it right here. You just have to explore. And on the left side, you can see here other topics that might help you on how to get started with Notion. But once you have the idea already on how to use this or how to create a template or a database, then you can go directly to your Notion dashboard. So as you can see here to start, you just have to go to the left side and let's just start from scratch. So what you're going to do here is to scroll down and then look for add a page. And this is what it looks like. Okay. So how to get started with Notion? First and foremost, if you want to change the appearance, you just have to go to settings and um, membership members and then go to my settings and change this appearance to light so that it would be more visible to you. So go to these three dots and then toggle on this full width and small text. So you can use the entire page or drag any images or template or icon here. So let's start with your title, which is, or my title, which is my dashboard. You can add a cover to your dashboard by tapping this add cover, and you can change that by tapping this add change or change the cover. You can add from their gallery or upload a file if you have in your device. Link, you just have to paste it right here and add splash. So here there are given cover photos for you. So all you have to do is to enter some keyword, for example, live, and then you can choose from any of the given and splash images here. So for this time, I downloaded a picture and image and then uploaded this file from my device. But actually, you can change that later if you want. You can also reposition this by tapping this reposition. Okay, so we have here the cover photo, and then you can change it anytime, as what I've mentioned earlier. Okay, so I think this one is not okay with the quality, so I added something which I think is okay or which has a good quality for my cover photo. Okay, so once you're done, then all you have to do is to click save. So going back, you can add an icon here as a start for your dashboard. So let's just look for live and what are the icons here? Okay, you can choose this one. And then for add a comment, and then you can add something like let's get it on or it's my life or something. Everything is up to you. It's like a reminder or motivation for you. So to start, I'm going to add here. Anyways, you can add files or you mention someone here. So to start, I want to add a call out. So all I have to do is to type slash and then add call out here. I'm going to add uh the best quotation for me that serve as my inspiration or motivation to go on or to proceed, continue with this line. But actually everything is up to you. So after I added a call out, I now want to add a gallery view. So to do that, you just have to simply type slash again, scroll down and look for gallery view, tap this new database. So as you can see, we have here the gallery view. And then you can rename, or you can add title or name as, let's just say, personal goals. Here, I want to add my goals in life. So I have to add goals here. And then for page one, you can edit this as, let's just say, your personal goals. But everything is up to you because actually my focus in this dashboard or my dashboard is about my goals in life and my to-do list, something like that. So for page two, I have here professional goals. Actually, you can add icons each. You can add a cover. You can add something here, which I'm going to show you later. So we have here financial goals, and then we have here health and wellness. And then I'm going to add also my personal development. Okay. So yeah, that's it. So my goals, we have here personal, professional, financial, health, wellness, and personal development. So if you want to add something like emoji, icon, or custom it, you just have to click and then tap this add icon here. Okay, look for that icon, best icon for you, or you can add a cover if you want. Okay, so I want to add each icon here, which is of course related to my goal. So all you have to do is to search for that. For example, financial, I look for money icon. And then for health, then I tap health here. Then I think this one is better for me. And then lastly, we have your personal development. So I look for an icon for that. Okay. So here are my personal goals. And actually, each of the page here, you can add a property. Okay. So everything is up to you. To add property, you just have to type slash and then add text, page, to-do list, heading, on table, bulleted list, and so on. So each page, we can add different database here, another database rather. Okay, so all you have to do is to search for that. Okay, you can also do that here in your professional, financial, health, wellness, and personal development. The second thing to do here is I wanted to add like an image. So all you have to do is to upload a file if you have a specific person or icon that you want to add here. So for this time, I want to add Rowan Atkinson because I like him and he served as my inspiration, especially when it comes to making people laugh. So I add an image here, I drag it to the left so that it would be like easier for me to see the image and also my goals. So all you have to do is to drag it right here on the left and this is what it looks like. You can resize it. Everything is up to you. Okay, so I want also to change. I also changed my motivation there. It's a quote from Rowan Atkinson. So done with the gallery view and image. Now what we're going to add is if you want to add, for example, like a navigation. So all you have to do is to type slash and then tap heading, and then you can name this as navigation. And you can add, for example, like relationship and social life, travel and adventure, volunteer, financial management. And you can turn all of this into page so that if you tap each of this navigation, you can add something here. You can add another database, you can add a cover, a icon, and then, a lot of things within this page. You can add more information, you can add more views, and then do a lot of things inside this one page. Okay, so it's very important. It's advantage if you turn this into page. Okay, so also you can change the icon. If you want to change the icon, you just have to tap and then click this add icon. It will change the icon. Okay, so here it is. Now, if you want to change the color, you just have to tap this F3 or 9 dots here, go to color, and then change the color background so that it would be easier for you to identify This is the relationship goal, something like that. This one is the travel and adventure, and so on. So to change that, you just have the tab color again and then go to background color and change the colors right here. Okay, so we have here the navigation. Another thing aside from image, we could also add videos here. You could even connect or add your social media accounts or platforms, such as if you have your Zoom, if you are your YouTube channel, if you have your Twitter account, all you have to do is to copy the link and paste it right here. Let's just say, for example, if I want to add a video or suppose that this one is an image, then all I have to do is to type slash again and then add edit image, another image from my device or file here. So here it is. Suppose that this one is a motivational image for me or video or everything. Okay, so to add, like, I'm going to add a weekly to-do list here. So let me start by typing slash and then heading. Now type this weekly to-dos and then slash again, type slash again, and then look for another heading, which I'm going to type here Monday. And then click again, type slash, and this time what we're going to do is to add a to-do list. So type slash, tap to-do list, and then do it again. And then after that, you can now copy and paste. So as you can see, I type slash here and then added to-do list, copy, paste, or add again, to-do list, to-do list, to-do list, and so on. Okay, so I have here, I think, five or four to-do list for my Monday. Okay, so now that you're done with adding to-do list, then you can simply copy this and then paste for your Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So you just have to drag it or you can click duplicate. Okay, so let me tap this 9 dots again or simply drag this all. Copy. Okay, you can see one. So let me duplicate this. Okay, duplicate. Um, Another one, duplicate again for Wednesday, and you can do this for the rest. Okay. Now, if you want to move it here, you just have to make sure it's not easy. Okay, you just have to simply drag it to the very right side, and that is what it looks like. And sometimes it somehow disarrange everything, and all you have to do is to, put it in the right position again. Okay, so copy and then paste again, same thing, and then adjust the position. Okay, so I have now Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So let me adjust the position again. Okay, now it's complete. So let me edit this. Okay, for example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And if you want to change the color, you just have to click this 9 dots, go to color, change the background. Okay, you can do this to each of this days of the week so that it would be easier for you to locate which one is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and what to-do lists are you going to put in this specific day of the week. So as you can see now, I am changing the background color. Again, all you have to do is to click this 9 dots beside, go to color, and then change the background. Now you can easily enter something like, for example, go to the gym, go to the mall, attend a birthday. Everything is up to you. Once done, you can check this, okay, or tap this box. That means it's already finished or complete. Another thing is that you can also add here like a calendar view. So to do that, just type slash and then locate the calendar view. Let me fix this one first, okay? So I'm going to do it again, but it should be below. Okay. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And here you can add any event. And then to add information, you can open that. You can even add icon, you can add cover, you can even add database and so on, add properties within this page. Okay, so that it would be easier for you to know the details within this given day or add more details about this specific event, okay, such as phone number, name of the person, email address of the place, and so on. So you just have to click this add property to add more details about your upcoming event. Okay, so that's it. We can even add in a share and so on. So this is just an example on how to mark or create an event on this calendar view. So after that, you can now go back. And then if you go to this calendar view and tap this, then probably you will see all the details that you have added here. So this is how easy this Notion platform. Okay, if you want to add more, just type slash again. And you can select from any of this given database, a given view, or anything that you want to add to your dashboard. Again, you can add image, a video, audio file. You can add a list view, table view, another database, AI, table of contents. You can see it right below here. So you just simply add or tap this one. For example, this button, this one is a new feature. So you can simply add something here like your YouTube channel, your Twitter, or whatsoever. And like what I've mentioned earlier, you can also add your social media accounts here or add social media platform or even integration such as Zapier. You can add Google Drive, GitHub, you can add Asana, Trello, you can add your LinkedIn, your YouTube channel, your Twitter, and other social media platforms. So all you have to do is to paste the link here or select from any of these available social media platforms. So this is just a basic introduction and tutorial on how to create or how to get started in Notion. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.